As the winter months approach, many entrepreneurs see an opportunity to generate income by starting a snow removal business. Providing snow and ice management services can be a lucrative venture, especially during snowy winters. But like any business, careful planning and preparation are required before launching your snow removal operation. This video will provide an overview of the snow removal industry, current trends, and tips on starting your own successful snow plowing business. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Northwest Registered Agent is professional formation service to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in description down below. Now, let's continue our video. Snow removal businesses typically offer a variety of snow and ice removal services, which may include salting, de-icing, road pre-treating, shoveling, and other snow removal tasks. A business may specialize in residential clients and business accounts to clear driveways, sidewalks, walkways, streets, and parking lots. Large-scale regional businesses usually accommodate industrial plowing needs, but there's also plenty of demand for smaller, independently owned snow removal businesses hired by homeowners, retail businesses, commercial offices and facilities, and more. Because snow removal is seasonal, many snow removal businesses also offer property management or landscaping services during other times of the year. A business income will fluctuate depending on the severity of each winter and the weather that the area receives. While the work is inherently seasonal, the demand during the winter months can be intense. According to a report by IBISWorld, the snow plowing services industry in the U.S. generates $25.6 billion in revenue annually, demonstrating the potential profitability in this field. Launching a profitable snow removal business takes careful planning, reliable equipment, skilled labor, and excellent customer service. But for entrepreneurs willing to put in the hard work, plowing snow can pay off with significant income during the winter months. With preparation and dedication, you can clear the way to success in this seasonal industry. Starting a snow removal business requires more than just knowing how to clear snow. It also requires understanding the market, making the business legal to operate, marketing, and more. With preparation and dedication, you can clear the way to success in this seasonal industry, and our checklist aims to help you get started. Step 1. Research the market. Assessing the local demand before diving into a seasonal venture like snow removal is essential for any aspiring entrepreneur. Start your journey by rolling up your sleeves and hitting the streets. Take a drive around your neighborhood after a snowfall, observing the untouched driveways and sidewalks, which could translate into potential customers. Engage with the community by reaching out to households and businesses, listening to their needs, and understanding their pain points. Don't forget to leverage the power of social media, where you can connect with a wide audience and conduct polls to gauge interest. By blending real-world observations with digital research, you'll be equipped with a holistic understanding of the market, paving the way for a successful snow removal business venture. Step 2. Write a business plan. If bank funding isn't needed, a business plan can be thought of as an optional step. It may still be worth considering. A business plan can be an effective tool and serve as a roadmap to charting out the direction of your business. It helps to get the ideas out of your head and aids in refining your business ideas. For a snow removal business, the plan could help understand seasonal cash flows, identify the right equipment based on the size of operations, and establish a competitive edge by offering services that address local pain points more efficiently. Step 3. Source funding. Starting a snow removal business requires careful consideration of financial resources to ensure a solid foundation. While it may seem like a low-cost endeavor, securing a suitable vehicle, often the biggest expense, demands early attention. If personal funds fall short, exploring various funding options becomes crucial. Consider reaching out to banks for loans, although be prepared to invest some personal capital and provide collateral. Additionally, seeking support from friends and family can be a viable avenue, but remember to formalize agreements to avoid misunderstandings. Microloans offer another avenue, especially for those with limited credit history, often coupled with valuable business training. By carefully navigating these funding avenues, aspiring entrepreneurs can lay the groundwork for a successful snow removal venture. Step 4. Register the business. Starting a snow removal business involves several legal steps to ensure it operates within the law. While the specific requirements can vary by state, here are some general steps you'll need to take. Choose a business structure. The first step is deciding on a business structure. The most common types include a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability company, LLC. A sole proprietorship stands out for its simplicity and low setup cost. However, it doesn't offer personal protection against business liabilities. A partnership is similar to a sole proprietorship but involves 2 or more people. Partners share profits and losses, and each partner is personally liable for the business's debts. A corporation is a separate legal entity owned by shareholders, providing owners with personal liability protection. But it's more complex and expensive to set up. An LLC combines the benefits of a corporation and a partnership. Owners have personal liability protection, and it's simpler to set up and manage than a corporation. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Northwest Registered Agent, renowned for its exceptional privacy protection features. For just $39 plus state fees, clients can enjoy unparalleled peace of mind along with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Northwest Registered Agent, customers can rest assured that their sensitive information is in safe hands, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Business name registration. After registering the business structure, you may need to register your business name. This process will vary depending on what business structure you pick. Sole proprietors and partnerships will often be required to register a doing business as DBA, while corporations and LLCs register with the state during the formation process. During this time, it's also a good idea to check if the name you want is available as a web domain, even if you're not ready to set up a website yet. Obtain business licenses and permits. Additionally, your business may need general local, state, and federal business registrations such as a sales tax permit and employer identification number, EIN. Step 5. Purchase equipment. The first 4 steps dealt with a lot of paperwork, but now we finally get to something a little more fun where we start purchasing the equipment. Once you've identified the necessary equipment, established a budget, and selected a supplier, it's time to make the purchase. Remember to keep all receipts and documentation for tax purposes and future reference. Step 6. Create a marketing plan. In the world of snow removal businesses, a well-structured marketing plan isn't just a strategy, it's the engine that propels success through the icy months. Picture this: as snowflakes begin their dance from the sky, savvy entrepreneurs are gearing up to reach potential customers in every corner of their community. First things first, claiming your spot on online directories like Google Business Profile, Yelp, and Yellow Pages is akin to planting your flag in the digital landscape. It's about more than just visibility, it's about being the first name that comes to mind when the snow piles up. And what seals the deal? Positive reviews from satisfied customers, like little love notes that warm the heart of your business. But wait, there's more. Enter the website, a digital storefront where creativity meets utility. A well-designed website isn't just a pretty face, it's your 24/7 ambassador, ready to welcome locals searching for snow removal superheroes. And why stop there? Think about sharing winter wisdom through helpful blog posts, establishing your brand as the go-to authority in all things snow-related. Step 7. Prepare to launch. First up, let's talk about protection. Just like bundling up in layers before heading out into the cold, having the right insurance coverage can shield your business from potential risks. It's like wrapping a warm blanket around your business, providing peace of mind for whatever comes your way. But what about keeping track of the snowflakes, or rather, the dollars and cents? Implementing a reliable bookkeeping system is like having a trusty snowplow to clear the financial pathways. Whether you opt for user-friendly software or enlist the help of a professional, it's about keeping those financial drifts at bay. And speaking of manpower, if your workload requires it, it may be time to build your team. Crafting job descriptions, conducting interviews, and managing payroll, it's like assembling your own snow removal dream team, ready to tackle any drifts that come their way. But before you hit the ground running, it's essential to lay down some ground rules. Crafting clear and detailed contracts ensures that everyone's on the same page, protecting both your business and your clients from any unexpected bumps in the road. Now, let's talk about the financial flurries. Opening a separate bank account for your business is like creating a designated snow storage area. It keeps everything organized and prevents any messy mix-ups come tax time. Of course, pricing is key. Finding that sweet spot between competitive and profitable ensures that your business can weather any economic storm that comes your way. And finally, embracing the convenience of accepting credit cards is like adding a touch of modernity to your snow removal services. It's all about making life a little easier for your customers, one swipe at a time. So as you put the finishing touches on your snow removal business, remember, it's not just about clearing the snow, it's about creating a seamless experience that leaves your customers feeling warm and fuzzy, even in the coldest of winters. As you embark on your new business journey, it's important to take advantage of the various small business tools and resources available. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. Northwest offers to walk you through the formation process for free. When you make a free account with Northwest, you'll be given online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthrough, and company document creation. All you'll have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee, plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below.